Hi everyone, greetings of the day. Nice to see you again. Welcome again to Imran Amami channel. With me Imran here. Today I would like to discuss about cost estimating and budgeting in case for pipeline work projects. Okay. Any five worksheet in this application program, starting from summary and cost breakdown, okay, and then equipment schedule and its cost, indirect manpower schedule and its calculation cost, and then direct manpower schedule and its cost calculation. Okay, the condition in this application program are: in the summary, I limit our discussion only for 29 items. Yes. Why? Because this is just based on my experience during my assignments. In several construction projects over Indonesia. Okay. But this is just baseline. This is just baseline for you. So it's when you could develop it and you could adjust it as your project nature. Okay. The project duration in this application program is only 9 months. Okay, it's only 9 months, and the project cost is in dollars. I converted already, is in dollars. Okay. Total die in this pipeline work project is 2,788, and total direct man-hour for this pipeline work project for fabrication and installation is 30,520. In this application program, we will find also the selling price of the pipeline works. Yes, here it is. And then we will find also in the cost analysis, we will find also man-hour price, dollar per man-hour, percent total cost years, and percent selling price for construction cost, equipment cost, tool and consumable, total cost, selling price, and then selling price minus total cost. Okay. Okay, here is 29 item in summary section. Okay, any direct material, any indirect material, any indirect cost, construction ports and springs, subcontract, tools, equipment, freights, local pads, expatriate pads, pad housing and food, travel and telecommunication, field office expense, mobilization and demobilization, insurance, bank or finance charge, technical services, medical first aid, home office administration, bids and performance bond, proposal cost, escalation and contingency, overhead, profit, negotiation, risk, tax on contract value, and liquidated damage. Okay. Okay. And then in the cost breakdown, we will discuss more detail of each item in summary, and we will discuss it more detail in a cost breakdown. Okay, and then any equipment schedule and its cost. Okay, in this section, is depend on your skill or your experience to allocate each equipment as your project requirements. Okay, with the goals, the allocation cost is not over or is not exceeding your project budget. This is same also for indirect manpower schedule and its cost calculation. This is same also for direct manpower schedule and its cost calculation. Okay, this is based on your experience, your skill to mobilize and allocate direct manpower as your project budget. Yes, this is better for you if you're mobilized and direct manpower under your project budget. Okay. Okay. I already equipped, yes, all items, all sections in this application programs with formulation therein. Okay, uh, this is to make it easier for you to operate, yes, and to update or to adjust it Azure project nature. Okay, okay. We want to update it. If you want to develop it, you just track or formulation inside the cell in its item in its section, okay, and then you change it as your project nature, or you could add any items as your project nature. Okay, cool. Okay, this is for example in the summary, any direct material, yes, any formulation inside the cell, yes, any worksheet cost breakdown, and rebel to cell P42. Okay, we will check it. We will check it in the cost breakdown worksheet in the cell P42 here. Cell P42 here. This is the total of direct material, the total of direct material costs. Okay, as I mentioned before, in each cell, in each worksheet, in each section is equipped already with formulation therein. So between one section, between one worksheet is integrated to another worksheet and to another section. Okay, let me check here. For direct material, sent for underground pipe installation, for example, for the work column, any formulation inside, and then for in the price also, any formulation inside, and the section also for the total price, any formulation inside also. Okay. This is same also for the equipment, construction equipment schedule and its cost calculation. Yes, any detailed calculation inside the section. Okay, any rate per month in US dollar, any fuel per day in liter, any fuel per month in liter, any fuel per month in US dollar, any oil per month in liter, any total fuel and total cost and equipment fuel. Okay, this is also for indirect manpower schedule. Okay, and it cost calculation, any detailed calculation here. Yes, and also any, this is refer to the government regulation, yeah, related to the manpower. Okay, okay, this is also. Okay, any basic salary, any total basic per month, any rate per 423 hours, labor social security, outcome taxes, special allowance, working accident protection, and all exploitation, and some other items. Also some regulation refer to the government regulation. Okay, this is also for the direct manpower here. Okay, any detailed calculation also. Yes, and also any government regulation related to the manpower, any basic salary, total basic per month, rate per 423, labor social security, oil and gas progress, complete rate, termination allowance, and some others like that. Okay, okay, and this application is converted already in currency US dollar. But if you want to adjust it, if you want to update it as your project currency, okay, you could you could change this number in this section, okay, by your project currency. Yes, okay, okay. Here is my explanation related to cost estimating and budgeting in case for pipeline work projects. Okay, hopefully this video, this program shall be useful. Thank you very much, and I highly appreciate to like, comment, and subscribe to my video and my YouTube channel, and please share also to others so they can take advantage of it also. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.